Hi everyone, welcome to our vlog. Today we are going to talk about something that is always around us, something that we use every second of our lives, but something that we usually don't notice. Even though it is extremely important, we often ignore it because we cannot see it with our eyes. But even we cannot see it, it is always there surrounding us and helping many things happen in our environment.
Think about it. Every time we breathe in and breathe out, we are actually interacting with gases. Not just breathing, gases are involved in many everyday situations like cooking, inflating balloons, opening sodas, and even in weather around us. Today in this vlog, we are going to explore the fascinating world of gases and understand why they are so important in our daily lives. We will also explain what gases are, what are some examples, and talk about how scientists discovered important information about them.
Before we begin, let's think about a simple question. What is exactly the air around us made of?
Many people think air is just as empty space, but it is made out of different gases mixed together.
These gases include nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and a few others that exist in a smaller amounts.
Even though we cannot see these gases, they are constantly moving and interacting with each other.
They also affect many things in our environment, including breathing, plant growth, and even climate change and the weather patterns.
This means gases are not just something we learn about in science class. They are actually a big part of our everyday lives. Did you know that?
In the blog, we will explore several interesting topics about gases.
First, we will start with some fun facts that might surprise you.
After that, we will explain what gases are and what makes them different from solid and liquid.
Then, we will show some simple demonstrations that help us observe how gases behave. We will also discuss how gases are used in our daily lives and why they are important for living things.
And finally, we will talk about some misconception and the story of how scientists discovered important gas laws.
Let's begin with a fun fact about air around us. Did you know that air is actually made up of several different gases?
In fact, the largest part of the air we breathe is nitrogen, which makes up about 78% of the atmosphere.
Oxygen makes up about 21%, and this gas is very important because humans and animals need it to breathe.
The remaining small percentage includes gases such as carbon dioxide, argon, and water vapor.
Even though these gases exist in smaller amounts, they still play important roles in the environment.
Another interesting fact about gases is that they are form of matter.
Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space.
Many people assume gases are nothing because we cannot see them.
But if you fill a balloon with air and weight it, you will notice it becomes heavier than when it was empty.
That simple example proves that air actually has mass.
Gas particles are always moving. Unlike solid, where particles stay in one place, gas particles move quickly and randomly. They constantly collide with each other with the walls of the containers they are in.
Because of this constant movement, gases spread out like mix easily with other gases. This explains why it smells like perfume or food can travel across a room.
What are gases?
In science, matter exists in three main states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid have a definite shape and volume like a book or a rock. Liquids have a definite volume but can change shape depending on the container.
Gases are different because they have no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Instead, gases expand to fill whatever container they are in.
In solid, particles are tightly packed together and only vibrate slightly.
In liquid, the particles are still close together, but they can't move past one another.
In gases, the particles are very far apart.
Because they're far apart, gas particles move freely and quickly.
Let's observe a simple involving soda.
When you open a soda bottle, you hear a psh sound. Wait,
That sound is carbon dioxide gas escaping from the liquid.
the gas was trapped inside the bottle under pressure.
Let's take a look at this volleyball. Even though we can see it, it's filled with the air inside.
That air is what gives the ball its shape and make it sphere. Without it, the volleyball would be soft and floppy.
When we hit it or bounce the ball, the air inside pushes outward, making it spring back.
So even if we can't see the gas, we can see its effect in how the volleyball bounces and keep its shape.
This demonstration helps us understand how gases behave. Even though we cannot see the particles, we can observe their effects.
This is why experiments are very important in science. Let's move about the gases in our daily lives. Gases. Gases are everywhere in our daily lives, even though we usually don't notice them. For example, is oxygen. It is essential for humans and animals because it allows us to breathe, to produce energies in our body, to move, to think, and to grow. Without none of our organs could function properly. But oxygen isn't the only important gas around us. For example, is carbon dioxide. It plays a key role for plants, helping them make food through photosynthesis, even the tiny amounts of gases. And speaking of plants, let's see how they depend on gases to survive. Thank you.
Plants also depend on gases to survive, and this is something we often take for granted. During photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air and use sunlight to turn it into food. At the same time, they release oxygen back into the atmosphere, which we and other animals need to breathe. This shows how gases create a balance in nature, connecting all living things in a cycle. Without this process, not only would plants struggle to survive, but humans and animals would also be affected because oxygen level would drop. Even small changes in the amount of gases in the air can impact the environment, which is why understanding their role is so important.
Gases aren't just important for living things, they also use so many technologies around us.
That's right. For example, LPG or cooking gas make it possible for us to cook our meals quickly and safely. Without it, preparing food would take much longer.
And it's not just for cooking, compressed gases are used in machines and tools like air compressors, spray cans, and even in some medical equipment. These gases help machines work efficiently and keep our daily lives running smoothly.
Some gases are even used in things we don't think about, like inflating tires, powering certain vehicles, and in scientific experiments to understand the world better.
It's amazing to realize that invisible gases are actually doing so much work for us every day.
And because gases are everywhere, it's also easy for people to have some misconception about them.
Speaking of that, let's talk about some common misunderstanding people have about gases and why they're actually very real and important. As Leia and Princess mentioned earlier, gases are used in many technologies in everyday activities. But even though we use gases all the time, many people still misunderstand what gases really are.
That's true. One common misconception is that gases are not real simply because we cannot see them with our eyes.
But in reality, gases are a form of matter just like solid and liquids. Even they are invisible, they still exist all around us.
In fact, gases have mass and they take up space. A good example is when you fill something like a ball or a container. With air, it becomes firmer and heavier because gas particles are inside it.
Gases also move freely and spread out to fill whatever space they are in. That's why air can fill a room or a container, even though we can see it directly.
So, just because something is invisible doesn't mean it isn't real. Many important things in science, like air and other gases, can't be seen but still have real effects.
Another misconception that some people have is that gases are not very important because we cannot see them or easily notice them.
But in reality, life on Earth depends heavily on gases. They play a huge role in many natural processes that keep our planet functioning.
For example, humans and animals need oxygen from the air to breathe and to help other bodies produce energy.
Plants also rely on gases like carbon dioxide to create their own food through photosynthesis, which helps them grow and survive.
And during that process, plants release oxygen back into the atmosphere, which help maintain the balance of gases that living things need.
Because of this cycle, gases connect plants, animals, and humans in a system that supports life on Earth.
So even though gases are invisible, they are incredibly important and affect many parts of our daily lives.
The study of gases began many centuries ago when scientists became curious about how air and other gases behave. Even though gases are invisible, early scientists wanted to understand their properties and how they react under different conditions.
One of the earliest scientists who studied gases in detail was Robert Boyle, an Irish chemist and physicist. He was very interested in how air works and how gases respond when they are placed under pressure.
During the 1600s, Boyle conducted several experiments using air pumps and sealed containers. These tools allowed him to trap gases and observe how they changed when pressure was applied.
Through his careful experiments, Boyle discovered something very important. He observed that when the pressure of a gas increases, its volume decreases as long as the temperatures remain the same.
In simple terms, this means that when a gas is squeezed into smaller space, the pressure inside increases. This relationship between pressure and volume helps scientists better understand how gases behave.
This important discovery later became known as Boyle's law, one of the first and most important gas law in science. It helped lay the foundation for many other discoveries about gases.
Because of Boyle's work, scientists were able to continue studying gases and develop more laws that explain how they behave in different situations.
Today we learned that gases are all around us and play a very important role in our lives.
We explored their properties, saw some demonstration, and learned how they behave.
We also discovered how scientists study gases and develop important gas law.
Even though gases are invisible, their effects are still around us everywhere.
From breathing to cooking, even the weather,
Science really helps us understand the invisible things around us.
thank
Thank
you
you
for
for
watching
watching
our
our
vlog
vlog
about
about
gases.
gases.